Hilarious.
Hi, I'm Kiran. Actually a content creator. I do YouTube videos. So I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube. So if you are interested, I can ask you a few questions.
I'm actually in a rush. So sorry.
Oh,
but I've
really?
seen your videos. I remember seeing your videos.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. You don't have like 2 minutes?
Okay, yeah, we can do that.
Okay, cool. Oh, yeah, please. You wanna join in the video?
Hi, Rashid.
Hi, Reena.
Nice to meet you.
Can you come here?
I am.
Can you check the lighting though? You look like you're in a very...
Me, your face is in the shadow.
My face is in the shadow.
Come here. Just come here.
Ah, this is better, Macha.
Come here.
You, you.
Come here.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Come here, Shishir. Come here.
Sorry. Sorry, it's a
okay,
little
it's
bit upsetting. What's your name?
My name is Reena.
Reena. What do you do?
I'm a yoga instructor.
Nice. Amazing. Yoga
Yoga instructor.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you're a yoga instructor.
No, when I was like in 4th grade, I was teaching yoga on TV.
Oh.
But
He's
local-
fucking with you.
No, I'm not. I'm really not. I was on local.
You are,
cable. Yeah, local cable. I was teaching yoga and post.
Oh, whatever. Okay, cool.
Okay.
What do you think of Bangalore dating scene in general?
It's very fucked up, honestly.
Honest answer is no.
I do not really connect to it because I think people fluctuate like network fluctuates. They're just like skipping. You do not. There's like no value. I can say people are losing that essence because I think it's very accessible. People are very accessible, both men and women. So not my thing at all. Yes.
Do you mind if you walk and talk?
Yes, definitely.
Can you put on this microphone on your bag? I'll help you with it. Because that thing started out of nowhere.
Yes.
So we have to walk and talk. Give. Fine. Okay, cool. You're very comfortable in front of the camera, so I feel like it's a good thing. But anyway,
I'm just generally comfortable whether there's camera or no camera. Makes absolutely no difference to
Wow.
me as of now.
okay, cool.
Yes.
So people find dates in different places, right?
Yeah.
Like dating apps, pubs, parks, etc.
Yeah.
Can you rank them worst to best according to your thought?
I think dating apps are fine because you with the intention is to meet a guy or a girl,
Uh-huh.
but then you never know. Sometimes you actually find good people also. Like it turns out to be a good friendship and
Okay.
as such. But
Makes
I
sense.
think workplace is very fucked up when it comes to
Workplace is the
yes,
worst.
It's the worst. Yes.
Posh
Like,
guys, posh.
Never. It shouldn't be. I
You
think
know,
that's a
recently
big
I
no.
talked to a girl. She said she found her husband at her office. I'm like, you guys were working together. How did that work out? She was like, so when it got serious, I asked him to leave the office.
See?
Yeah.
Exactly. So I
That's
don't
what
think it works in anybody's favor.
Yeah.
Because the differences are a lot then. Because it's the same space, you're together 24/7. I think people need to have their own space at some point
Oh, okay.
of the day, yes.
No, makes sense.
Yep.
So dating apps are okay, you are saying?
Dating apps are fine, not again my thing, but then it's fine. Like,
It's
okay,
fine.
yeah.
What do you think of pubs?
No. No.
Why?
Because,
Why that straight up no?
There is no dating then. It's
Uh-huh.
casuals, it's flings,
It's a
it's
one-night
one-night stand. Yeah, there is
I
no
met a
dating
person
there.
just now who said one night stands can turn into something beautiful.
Yeah, that's what I said even in dating apps. But you see the probability
Uh-huh.
of finding someone in the pub. I don't think it's possible.
Okay. What do you think about parks? Like Kabam Park on
Parks?
Sunday morning.
I think that's good.
I think
Because
you have a
I'm-
yoga club as well, right?
Yes,
like in
yeah.
Kabam Park.
Yes, we
Yeah.
have another. There's a very good run club called Dod Run.
Uh-huh.
So that also started out that people are connecting there. So I think that's
Ah.
good because your intention initially is just running
Uh-huh.
or fitness, and then maybe you find someone. So it's a good way to find someone.
Like it's also like you find someone who has a similar interest, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the reason. That's your friend. Would you
Yeah,
like to
that's
join
my
in?
friend. Come here. He
Hi, bro.
has few questions for you.
I'm shooting a video for my YouTube, so you come.
Okay, me too.
Why did you leave?
No, I thought he would.
Okay, cool. It's fine. Both of them. I'll talk to them. Bro, what do you think about Bangalore dating scene in general?
I don't know, man. I'm from Shimla, right?
You're from Shimla? I love Shimla, bro. I went to Shimla recently. I went on a 2-month long backpacking and I went to all these cool places, Himachal, etc.
Yeah, you can join us on Thrifty Buddies, right? I got adventure and travel company, right?
Really?
Yeah, dude, you can join us, right? Like we do rock climbing, rappelling and stuff,
Damn.
and some of the winter treks, and like
Any
some.
northeast trek you are planning? Because my next trip is
No
northeast.
man, we are not in northeast right now. We are only in Himachal Pradesh, right?
Himachal is amazing.
Yeah, man.
It's beautiful. I will go there definitely.
Yeah.
You're from Himachal, you don't know anything about.
No man.
He's
Because
just
I-
come today to Bangalore. Yes.
Today?
Yeah.
It's your first day in Bangalore.
Yeah, man.
Wow. What would you suggest him if
No, I think Himachal is better when it comes to
I
no,
agree.
Bangalore.
I
Be
agree.
away.
I agree.
Yes.
I agree.
Yeah,
Himachali people are like some of the sweetest people I've met. I'm not even kidding. I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying, but
Yeah, man.
all the people
You are
I've met.
from Bangalore, right?
Yeah, I'm from Karnataka only. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Here also people are pretty nice. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm nice.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
nice.
You're from Bangalore, Bangalore.
I'm from Bangalore. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So where were we? We were ranking that thing, right?
Yeah,
Okay, pubs are bad.
pubs are bad.
Dating apps are okay.
Okay.
Parks are the best.
Best.
The best.
Comparatively, yes.
What do you
I
think?
think mountain climbing is way better.
Mountain climbing. Wow.
Yes. You know?
Yeah, she's
that's-
pretty good at that, though.
You do mountain
we
climbing?
did recently, we finished our mountaineering course in
She
Manali.
got A grade, right?
Damn.
Yeah, so we just got done. That's how I met him.
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
That's amazing. And Beer is also a nice place in Himachal to go paragliding. And
Yeah, man. it's
Because
really
I met
great.
many people there who just started dating because they both went to do paragliding and they found a similar interest, right?
It was nice.
Yeah. So find the places like the places that have activity are like better than all the
Yes.
other places.
Yeah, comparatively.
Cool. That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Cool. I think this is the rush you were in.
Yeah.
See, we combined rush into YouTube.
I was walking and he's like, can you please shoot? I was like, I'm really, because he's waiting from a long time and I'm
Yeah.
late. As usual, Bangalore traffic can't be.
Yeah.
It's just an excuse.
No, it's fine, man.
That's the common excuse Bangaloreans use for everything.
But
Even
I
though
do
it's not-
trust her. Yeah, it's okay. It's fine.
Good. Where are you guys going?
We
the
have
plan?
yet to figure out.
Yet to figure
Yes.
out. Nice. Good.
We done?
Okay, cool. Yeah, I think we are done. It was amazing talking to you.